Hello, welcome to Astronautics for Exploit. This is Dr. Ayanshola Ogundele. Innovations, breakthroughs, and notable programs of spaceship-to-spaceship communications, facilitators of high-speed data transmission across millions of miles. In the 21st century, several breakthroughs and innovations were achieved in spaceship-to-spaceship communications, which has led to the rapid evolution of rudimentary radio broadcast to high-speed invisible laser links between orbiting spaceships and sophisticated space-based Internet mesh network. The transition enables real-time orbital rendezvous, collision avoidance, and deep space navigation. Over many years, research endeavors have been undertaken by government space agencies and private space companies to actualize spaceship-to-spaceship communications. The paradigm shift in spaceship-to-spaceship communication approach is driven by the necessity to transfer massive amounts of scientific and military data with low latency, bypassing the need for immediate line-of-sight ground stations. The technological breakthroughs, notable programs, and pioneering innovations shaping spaceship-to-spaceship communication domain include optical laser communications, mesh networking and routing, and space-based quantum communication. The focus points are as follows: innovations and breakthroughs of spaceship-to-spaceship communications, notable programs of spaceship-to-spaceship communications. Innovations. Spaceship-to-spaceship communication has evolved rapidly, moving from rudimentary radio broadcast to high-speed invisible laser system. This transition enables real-time orbital rendezvous, collision avoidance, and deep space navigation. The biggest breakthrough in spaceship-to-spaceship communication is the shift from omnidirectional radio frequency to optical intersatellite links. NASA's SCAN program is illustrated in this picture. Example of the technological breakthroughs are as follows: optical laser communications. Free space optical links replace traditional antenna with lasers to provide significantly higher bandwidth. Mesh networking and routing. Satellites can now route data autonomously in a web, allowing a spaceship or lander to communicate with the Earth. Artist rendering of the Orion Artemis II is shown in this picture. Autonomous acquisition, tracking, and pointing. Due to optical beams being exceptionally narrow, spacecraft now use advanced micromirrors and algorithms to physically track and lock onto one another. Lunar Communications Network is shown in this picture. Notable programs of spaceship-to-spaceship communications are as follows: Deep Space Optical Communication, NASA Space Communication and Navigation, Military and Defense Initiative, Artemis Program, Optical Intersatellite Links, Precision Pointing Acquisition and Tracking, Space-Based Quantum Communication. Deep Space Optical Communications. NASA's Deep Space Optical Communication is a pioneering program that proved laser technology can transmit data through space at rates of 10 to 100 times faster than the traditional radio frequency systems. LunarNet's Delayed Disruption Tolerant Networking Framework is shown in this picture. Application to spaceship communications. Interplanetary network. Future spacecraft voyaging to Mars or the asteroid belt will require robust networks to exchange large files, mapping data, and telemetry without relying solely on routing through the Earth. Cross-agency interoperability. Demonstrations have successfully proven that international optical networks such as SR optical ground stations can interface seamlessly with NASA laser payloads. LunarNet is illustrated in this picture. NASA Space Communication and Navigation Program manages a critical infrastructure of relay satellites and ground antennas. Mass relay network. These space maneuvers use similar space-to-space architectures. For example, mass reconnaissance orbiter acts as a prime data relay ship. Artistic representation of a spaceship for interstellar travel is illustrated in this picture. Mechanisms for spaceship-to-spaceship communications are as follows. Proximity communications, such as in lunar and Martian operations. As SCAN extends infrastructure for the Artemis missions and deep space exploration, it relies heavily on proximity networks, spacecraft operating on the Moon or Mars. Software-defined radios to improve interoperability and allow spacecraft to adapt their communication protocol. This method is used. Mass relay network is illustrated in this picture. The Near Space Network manages fleet of space relays in geosynchronous orbit. The Lunar Communications Relay and Navigation Systems for the Artemis lunar missions. SCAN is orchestrated commercial lunar relay framework. NASA's rendezvous of the Mars Transportation Habitat is shown in this picture. Space development agencies, the military and defense initiatives are as follows. U.S. Department of Defense is establishing a resilient mesh network of LEO spacecraft. DARPA, the Defense Advanced Research Project, has partnered with major aerospace companies to develop standard low-cost optical terminus system. C-band space surveillance radar system is illustrated in this picture. LunarNet, NASA spacecraft to spacecraft communication in the Artemis program is governed by LunarNet, an internationally coordinated internet-like system. NASA's Artemis 2 moon mission is illustrated. The Gateway Artemis program. The Lunar Gateway Relay served as a crucial hub in lunar orbit. Scheme of the architecture for the planned space optical communication is shown in this picture. Optical intersatellite links act as the backbone for high-speed spaceship-to-spaceship communication. Free space communication system is illustrated in this picture. Core benefits of optical intersatellite links are massive bandwidth, speed, and low latency. Laser versus RF link and data downlink is shown in this picture. The core benefits are unparalleled security, optimized spacecraft efficiency, and spectrum availability. Illustration of gateway spaceship is shown in this picture. Precision pointing, acquisition, and tracking. Pointing, acquisition, and tracking is the critical control architecture that enables high bandwidth, laser-based crosslinks between moving spacecraft. Spaceflight operation facility is shown in this picture. The three-phase part process are pointing, acquisition, and tracking for fine alignment. Lunar photo taken during Artemis 2 mission is shown in this picture. Space-based quantum communication focus on exchanging unhackable quantum key distribution and entangled photons between orbital assets. Artemis 2 crew's view of the solar eclipse is shown in this picture. For more information, contact Astronautics for Exploit. You've been listening to Innovations, Breakthrough and Notable Program of Spaceship-to-Spaceship Communication by Dr. Ayanshola Ogundele, with the focus point Innovations and Breakthroughs and Notable Programs of Spaceship-to-Spaceship Communication. Thank you.